Happy Wednesday, happy Earth Day firsties. We're gonna start topic 11 in math today. So you're gonna go grab your math workbook, and it was the thing that was stapled in the front of your book. So we had ripped it out before we sent the books home. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. And we're gonna work today on page 612 together. And we're gonna do page 614 together. And then I'm gonna get you to do page 613 by yourself, and we'll check this together tomorrow. All right, so let's get started once you have your books. And this time we're taking away. We're counting and subtracting tens this time, okay? So we're gonna do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is showing me here 7 tens and take 1 away. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I take 1 away. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to count it by tens. So it was 7 tens minus 1 10 equals 6 tens. Going to do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Take 1 away. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay? Get your pencils ready because we're going to do the second one together. And we're going to start with 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to take 2 away because 2 are crossed out on my paper. Okay, so I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. I'm going to write 6 here for 6 tens. I'm going to take 2 tens away. I'm going to write 2 because I took 2 of them away. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Now I want to use real numbers. So I'm going to count by tens again. So this time it says I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm going to write my number 60 here. I'm going to take 2 of them away. So that's taking away 10, 20. This time 20 is taken away. And I'm left with 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 is my answer. So 60 minus 20 equals 40. Okay? So now let's turn to page 614. And we're going to use our tens longs, our talls, if we need to. Okay? And we're going to do 7, 8, and 10 together. So look at number 7. It says, Ethan has 30 crayons. He gives 10 crayons away. Isabel probably really stole those crayons, but shh, don't say anything. Ethan has 30 crayons. He gives 10 crayons away. How many crayons does Ethan have now? So we do the same thing. He has 30 crayons, which is like this. 10, 20, 30. So I write my 30 there. He gives 10 crayons to Isabel. So I take a 10 away, and I write my 10 there, and now he's left with 10, 20 crayons. Okay, so we always write our answer with the unit to tell us what we were talking about. All right, so when you're ready, let's look at number 8. This time it says, Jacob solved these problems. Did Jacob subtract 1 or 10? Finish the equation. So I always have to finish these number sentences. So if I looked, I have 50 minus something equals 40. So if I have 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and my answer is going to be 40, I think I have to take 1 10 away. And when I take 1 10 away, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and that's 10, 20, 30, 40. So yes, Jacob did 50 minus 10 equals 40. Then my next one says 60 minus equals 59. So I'm going to put my 6 tens down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And my answer is 59. So if I take 1 10 away and I say 10, 20, 30, 40, I have 50. I don't have 59. So that means 60 minus 1 is going to give me 59. 59 is 1 less than 60. So that time, Jacob only subtracted 1. All right, let's look at number 10 now. Okay, so do it with me. It says 20 teddy bears are for sale at the store. After a day, 10 teddy bears are sold. How many teddy bears are on sale at the store now? So they drew the teddy bears for us, and there's a row of 10 and a row of 10, which is 20, right? So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teddy bears, I can count by tens. I can say, oh, that's 10. And then I have 10 more here. And if 10 was sold, which I'm going to take 10 away, all these teddy bears went for presents. Little boys and girls got some new stuffies to sleep with. And that leaves me one row left, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 teddy bears left. And I can check it with my cubes if I need to. 10 teddy bears, 20 teddy bears, 1, 2, 10, 20. Take 10 away. That leaves me with 10. Okay, so 20 minus 10 equals 10. And that's also a doubles fact. So I think if you did it as 10 plus what equals 20, you would know that too. All right, so that's what we just did together. If you need to go rewind the video and do any of them again, you can do that. Now I would like for you to turn to page 613. These are the ones you're going to do all by yourself, but I'm going to explain to you how to do it first. Same thing we've been doing. You want to use your cubes, you can use your cubes. If you don't know where your cubes are, you don't feel like adding them, and you just want to draw your tiles like this as a strategy, you can do that too. But we have to count all of our cubes first before we figure out what's left, okay? So I'm going to count everything up first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to write 8 here because there's 8 tens. Then I noticed that 1, 2, 3 of them were crossed out. So I'm going to put the 3 here. So it's 8 tens minus 3 tens. Now I count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So I put the 5 here. Now I want to use my big first grade math, and I want to count by tens. I don't want to keep saying 8 tens and 3 tens. I want to use real numbers. 80, 50, right? So I'm going to count them again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I write the number 80 here. I see 3 were crossed out. I count those by tens. 10, 20, 30. I put my 30 there. 80 minus 30 equals, let me count what's left now, counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 50 left, okay? So you go ahead and you do number 4, number 5, and number 6 all by yourself. Use your 10 cubes or draw them out like this as longs if you want to. Remember, we're counting as cubes as tens first, and then we're counting them by tens as numbers second. So you go do that, and then we'll go over this paper tomorrow. So when we do math tomorrow, make sure you have this handy so we can check it together. All right, bye, Firstie.